Hi, it's Charlie. Welcome back to Partickhill Station again. So today I have a new loco that I have to show you. I scout around Facebook Marketplace, and there's very rarely anything of interest in terms of British model railways. There's lots of North American stuff, and they seem to be fairly priced. But I came across a listing with a number of locos and a number of coaches, excuse me, both British Railways, LMS and LNER, for both the locos and the coaches. But one thing caught my eye, and that is the BR Class 37. That's the R751. Yeah. So the lady that had them, it's about a 20-minute drive away, and I made arrangements to go up there this evening. And you know, it's a really nice loco, like in excellent condition. I took along a battery just in case, you know, like I didn't know what the situation was, and I asked the lady if she'd tested it, and she said no. And so I thought, I'll bring the battery and just try it. I didn't get any response from applying the battery to the wheels. But the wheels are very clean and everything's attached, and it looks in excellent condition. So I'm going to stick it on the track and see what happens. Okay, so here goes. It's on the track, and I'll just see what happens here. Yeah, nothing. No, nothing. Well, that's disappointing, but we'll take the body off and see what's going on. Well, I just tried it on the test track, and it works on the test track. First time. Let's give it another go here. Well, there's something on the track that's preventing it from going. I need to check that out. Well, there you go. It's running now. Nice and smooth. That's perfect. Not really sure what was going on there, but look at that. Perfect. So 37130 R751 Class 37, perfect condition, runs terrific, and it was a very fair price. I'm not sure how old the model is. You know, it'll be DC. I don't know if it's DC ready. I'll have to check, but It looks as if it's been in a box for a while and maybe not run. The lady didn't give me a background story on it. Maybe if I see something else she's got, I might go back and maybe ask her what the background was. But yeah, that's a great find and a great addition to my layout. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed that, and you know how it goes. Partickhill Station, give me the big thumbs up, drop me a note, and we'll catch you all later. Bye for now.